I'm just looking for some new micro-dwarf tomato plants, and the ones you see here are Red Velvet on the left and Dora Red on the right. And I wanted to test these in a small garden that is hydroponic, and when it comes down to it, I'm looking at two factors, productivity as well as taste. So when it comes down to productivity, both are packed with tomatoes. The Dora Red is doing quite well as the Red Velvet. So this is what I'd have to say in terms of these two tomato plants. I am probably going to go with the Red Velvet. I like the fact that the Red Velvet has this very nice dark green coloration, and the tomatoes, as they ripen, stand out quite well. And also, the ability to set fruit as well as put on new blossoms is a nice feature. Now, on the Dora Reds, I found out that it takes just a little bit longer, about a week before these get going as well. But I've had some ripe fruits, and one of the things I noticed about the Dora Red is it is about twice as big as the Red Velvet and has kind of a nice, meatier, if I could pronounce that, more meaty. How's how that sounds? And so the interior is not quite as juicy, and it does have a slightly blander flavor in comparison to the Red Velvet plant. Now, between the two, the Red Velvet has more of your true acidic taste and a juicier bite with a thinner outside, and I really like the flavor of it. Now, not to be ruled out, the Dora Red does seem to be a tomato that would go quite well in salads, and I would consider that for putting over romaine lettuce, and a salad dressing would probably temper out the slightly blander flavor and provide a nice complement to a salad. Whereas the Dora Reds, I would eat these right off the vine because they're delicious. So there you have it. Between the two varieties, that is my personal taste, and I realize everybody has a slightly different flavor profile that they like, but this would be the one that I like best.